When scientists talk about the 14-day rule in embryo research, it all comes down to one structure, the primitive streak. Around day 14 of fertilization, the embryo develops this faint line. It's the very first sign of the body's axis. It marks where the head, tail, left, and right sides will eventually form. Before this, the embryo is just a cluster of dividing cells. But once the primitive streak appears, the process of gastrulation begins, where cells start taking on their long-term fates, like becoming muscle, nerve, or gut. That's why the 14-day mark became an ethical limit on most countries for embryo research. It's the point where individuality is established and twinning is no longer possible. Scientists today are debating whether the limit should be extended. Some argue up to 28 days. Because studying what happens just after gastrulation could unlock answers about miscarriage, birth defects, and early development. So the primitive streak is tiny, but it's a turning point both biologically and ethically.